Hey, lady. Say hello to the camera. Now people can see your eyes. Yes. You're awake. Oh, you're smiling. That's a good smile. Does that mean you're pooping again? I just changed your diaper. Yes. Smile big for the internet. Yes. Say hello to Grandma and Grandpa. Hello. Say hello to your mama. Say hello to the panda. Yes. Ooh. Oh, nothing to fear. That is just a finger puppet panda. Okay.